In front of me is ALCATEL 1 from 2022, and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So at first, let's open list of all apps, go to settings then find and select security. Now go a bit lower, and here you will notice encryption and credentials, so just mark it. And now at the bottom of the list you will notice clear credentials, so just click on it, confirm that you would like to remove all the contents, tap on OK, and that's it. Okay, so settings isn't responding. Let me go back and let's try to do it one more time. So let's tap on clear credentials, click on OK, and draw the unlock button to confirm. Now it's working properly. OK again. And that's it. As you can see, credential storage is erased. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.